How do you fix Farever is crashing on Steam? So first you will need to right click the game in your library and open up the properties window. In the general tab launch options you will need to add -dx11, then go to installed files and verify the game files. Now once this is completed you can close Steam, and the next thing you'll need to do is check for GPU driver updates. So you will need to use the NVIDIA app or the AMD software depending on which GPU you're running. And then from drivers, check for the latest updates and install them. Next, you'll need to install the distributables. You'll need to open up a new browser tab and head to this link, which is going to be in the description. And from this table here, you'll need to get the 86 installer and the 64 for the distributables. And once you finish installing both of them, this will require the computer to be restarted. And right after the restart, all you need to do is run Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then just launch the game. And that should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.